2 love up, game ended 2-2, another day thrown away, a 2 love lead. Can you take us through the game?
Yeah, I thought in the first half we were doing it. I really just cruising. We had a lot of opportunities, but they didn't convert them. Again, we also thought we had 2 definite penalties that should have been awarded to us. So we was one tackle in the box. We got none of those. And then I suppose that's how football is. They get all the opportunities to score them. Teams like it to strategize.
Overall, the game in the middle of the park was a little bit more dominated by Arnett from my perspective. Can you tell us what was the reason for that? Did you hand over the middle of the park and just utilize the wide areas?
Yeah. What happened was that we had a new player that we tried in the middle, and his fitness is not up to standard. And as soon as we would have made that change, there was an injury to our midfielder. And then it was difficult from there because he was one of our main defensive midfielders.
Adrian Reid in the right back position. Not unfamiliar territory because we have seen him in the centre back position. But what's your thoughts on his performance tonight in the right back here?
Well, it's not a position that is best, but then we switch him in the middle to look a little better after Watson. But it's just a matter of we have to just use what we have at this particular point in time. Our right back is away, our central midfield is away. We just have to do that.
How difficult are these couple games in the last couple of weeks with so many injuries and players out?
Yeah, it's difficult, but it's good because even not at full strength, we're able to perform at a certain standard. As I said today, it was just one of those days. No penalty, goalkeeper made an error. We can't see it. It was just one of those days. We seem to be having a lot of those now. But it's the best time to have them and not to be playoffs, so that's what we're looking for.
Goalkeeping is a position that depends on confidence. When a goalkeeper made an error like that, as a coach, what would you look at the goalkeeper and tell him, or to bolster his confidence, or to bring him back? You just level his head.
He's a very experienced keeper, and he's a national keeper. What they're going to do next week is just train him even harder and to bring up his
Yes, coach. We know you had the lead, and it seemed as if we were more to a deep block and counter-attack in the second half. Based on the first half, they seem to be opening them up a lot more. I think if we had stuck to that strategy, we would have really got the other goals and put the game to them.
I think we got opportunities to score them, but I think in the second half, coach switched to a 4-4 to a 4-2-4, whatever it was, and applied a lot of pressure on us. But we did adjust. As you see at the end, we think we got 2 chances we could have done better. So it was just a tactical game from, and 2 very good teams was on the pitch, and I think the spectators the one that won there, and that's good for the team.
Yes, certainly it was an entertaining game, coach, but you're still without a win now in 3 games. What a take on the performance, how you look forward, do you think you can, as you say, overcome just as the previous sport, this mini slump you are going through?
Yeah, but we still jump up a spot to 5th. So, I mean, even with the bad performances, we could have done worse. I am encouraged that we do have admins and we do have a couple of other players and we're able to still come to one garden and lose a game. We are one of the top teams. So I'm not really worried. I would have preferred to take a win. It was always there for the taking, we just didn't take it. So I am not perturbed. I think we're still in a good space. And I also believe that we know this league already. It's not a league. It's a top 6 and then knockout. We'll be ready for the knockout.
But they are a little patched up today. How soon do you think you can overcome this little injury crisis and have your full strength available?
Well, the schoolboy player who is unavailable will be back. I think he should be back for the next game. We're slowly getting there. As I said, we have a transfer to come in, getting there.
Alright, coach. It's funny you just mentioned the transfer card. That's what I was going to next. Is that transfer a new centre back?
No. We like our number 15, Brian. He has improved some bonuses. His 4th game. We like him. We think we can do a lot of work on him over the next 2 months. also another good centre back which can do a lot of work with him. Yeah, we're still looking for a centre back, but if the person doesn't come, we're still.
Alright, so outside of purchasing a new centre back, as is no one clean sheet in the last 12 games, is there anything that you could be doing, that you need to do on the training ground to rectify this?
Oh, we're trying. But keep going in. But you know, I'm sure one day they'll dry up and I think it will happen in the playoffs. So.
Alright, thank you very much.
All right.